Hello everyone. In this presentation, we would like to share our recent work titled Transformer Needs NMDA Receptor Nonlinearity for Long-Term Memory. In the brain, it is widely known that NMDA receptor is required for synaptic plasticity and memory formation. Interestingly, this receptor has unique nonlinear current voltage dynamics caused by magnesium ion gating at the pore. We are inspired by this NMDA receptor nonlinearity. We developed a novel activation function, NMDA alpha. Previously, NMDA receptor in the hippocampal CA1 has been shown to be important for long-term memory formation and place cell emergence, which is a spatial representation in the brain. Recently, Whittington et al. Suggested transformer as a hippocampal model of spatial representation. They showed that place cells can emerge in self-attention layer during 2D navigation tasks. We found fascinating resemblance of NMDA receptor nonlinearity with Jallo activation function in the transformer's V4 layer. Based on this observation, we asked the question, is NMDA receptor nonlinearity involved in the long-term memory formation and place cell representation in the transformer?
To answer this question, we proposed a new method for assessing reference memory and working memory. While an agent randomly navigates on the 2D grid space, the place can be divided into visited place and unvisited place. By measuring prediction errors on these places, we can quantify working memory error and reference memory error. To the best of our knowledge, the reference memory of transformers has yet to be explored. We evaluated these two memories in the training maps and test maps. Here is the detailed description of our evaluation method. As you can see here, working memory errors becomes 0, and changing the alpha value of MND function does not affect working memory error. But training models of a larger value of alpha leads to better reference memory performance. Note that the MND function we used is a linear function when alpha is 0. This result is in line with the biological findings that MND receptor perturbation hinders long-term memory formation in the hippocampus. A larger alpha of MND function improves reference memory, and the MND function shows the best reference memory performance when compared to other nonlinear functions. In the hippocampus, MND receptor is critical for place cell emergence. We found that increasing the alpha of MND function leads to selective emergence of place cells. In summary, we introduced a novel activation function of MND alpha into the transform model. We developed a new method for reference memory evaluation, and we evaluated the reference memory errors of transform models with our MND function. We found that the MND function shows the best reference memory performance, and the place cells emerge in the feed-forward layer. Lastly, we note that our findings from transform model resemble the experimental result from the hippocampus. Thank you for your attention.